The exhaust popped out. It's the reason why he stopped driving it.
The exhaust?
Yeah. If you look at it, no, it's just.
Oh.
How's it look inside?
I can't see it. It's too
Oh,
much
you can't
glare.
see it. Too much sun.
Vamos a sacar otra opción.
No.
The engine was rebuilt shortly before he stopped driving it.
Really?
Yeah. And also the carbs.
Gee. This thing is super fucking clean, man.
I don't know if we could allow kids to hear that language, but I'll post it. So, can you see it with the camera? It's super clean.
Look.
Well, unfortunately, I get all glare. But inside the cylinder walls is super clean. Well, because it was rebuilt.
Yeah. Like super clean.
Super clean.
Okay.
Está limpiecísimo, ¿no?
So it should crank, right?
Right.
All right. So it should crank. Clean oil, super clean walls,
There's no rust on them.
and there's no rust. Should we spray some oil? It couldn't hurt.